You have some merged cells and you want to unmerge them, and you want to unmerge them automatically. Of course, we could go to the sheet, we could select everything, we could go to this merge cells, click this select merge type, and we could click unmerge. That is totally possible. But what if we want to do it all the time? What if someone keeps merging our header and we want to unmerge it even when we're not using our sheet? Let's do that in this video. So we're going to click extensions, app script, click OK. This is going to be super simple. We're going to call this function unmerge me. We're going to have a variable ss equals spreadsheet dot get active, get sheet by name, and we're going to call this merged. So that's just the name of the spreadsheet we want to unmerge everything all of the time. And now here is the one line of code. I guarantee you this is going to be quick. We go ss get range. We start in row 1, comma, column 1, and we go to ss.get max rows, ss.get max columns. That's the entire sheet. And we go break apart. That's dot break apart. We're going to save this. And now we're going to test it by running it. Once we click run, we're going to authorize, and we're going to see that it works one time. So click run, and there it is. It has worked. So we know it works, but we want to automate it. Go over to the left side of your app script, click on trigger, go to the bottom right, click add trigger. We're going to choose which function to run. If you have more functions here, you're going to choose the one that we've selected here, unmerge me, that we created. And the event source, we're going to change that to time-driven. We're going to change hour timer to minutes timer or day timer. If you want to run this once a day or every hour, I'm going to keep it at hour. I'm going to run it every hour. I'm going to click save. Now, that sheet will only stay merged for an hour if somebody comes in and merges it without my direction. And there it is, a trigger to unmerge everything. Now, if you do want something merged and you want to delete this trigger, just come back to triggers in AppScript. Click on the 3 dots over here on the right, click delete trigger, and now we can delete that trigger forever if you do end up wanting to merge something. But that's it. That's the entire code here. Pick the sheet, get the range, break apart. Now you can unmerge all the time. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.